Meet Robert and Grace. Robert uses online video learning for his upskilling. He finds it hard to comprehend the video learning. It's difficult for Robert to watch videos and apply what he has learned. At the same time, Grace has a great time learning from keySkillset. It allows learners to turn knowledge into practice. keySkillset allows you to learn faster, helps build your confidence level, and gives you a sense of learning on the fly. Video-based learning, meanwhile, would require you to multitask, causing you to shift between screens, resulting in reduced focus and recall response. This could further add to your learning anxiety. keySkillset, alternatively, has a unique approach to learning. With keySkillset, you learn while you do, and this brings a sense of accomplishment. keySkillset helps you learn things better and helps you remember things longer. A brand new strategy for learning. Sign up and log in to keySkillset platform. Click on the course you like to learn. Start learning. Perform instructed action. Be rewarded with keySkillset certificate. keySkillset develops your muscle memory, helping you with higher recall and retention. Maximize the efficiency with which you learn and make sure you forget nothing. Driven by evidence-based learning strategy, retrieval practice helps you process information for long-term memory. This allows learners to maximize learning retention. Spaced practice allows you to visit your learning multiple times rather than cramming with information. Like you do with video-based learning, keySkillset helps what you learn stick longer. Enhance lifelong learning. Build your muscle memory. Learn and practice to increase your efficiency using spaced practice technique. Robert could develop confidence with belief in his learning ability. Mike and others who are ardent users of the platform saw a 5 times increase in efficiency and propositional proficiency. Meet our users